Hi everybody, it's me Janine. Today I'm going to be opening up the PR package that I got from Eve Curls. I'm an official brand ambassador with them. So let's open up. I can't wait to open up this. I had very long hair and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have a little bit of curl. I've had curls all my life, but I've also had long hair, so they've been like wavy to a point. So hopefully after using this product, my hair will be more curly, hopefully. I've heard very good reviews. It's vegan, so I really, really love this brand. I've actually put some of the product in my hair already, and I actually seen a change. I put the, let's just get into it. I'll talk about it on my way. All right, so, okay, all right, here's the curl defining cream that I got. All right, and this is the box that I got it in, and here's the whole products. Another curl define cream, and I also love the logo and everything. It's very simple. It's very it's just very simple, and it gets right to the point. Here's the leave-in conditioner. This is one of the products that I've always already used, and it's like it's so good on my hair, and it feels so good. You know what I mean? Like how some products, when you use oil, it's just too oily, and it stays really heavy in your hair. This product does not do that. It moisturizes. It keeps your hair moisturized all day, until you actually wash it out. But it keeps it very slick, and it keeps it very very soft and moisturized. Here it is. Here's the deep treatment hair mask. Here's a hydrating curl conditioner. The curl caring shampoo. Then I got a curl care towel. It's less frizz, excuse me, less breakage, and you save time drying your hair, obviously. All right, that's the first box, and then I got an actual second box that they sent me, right, with another hair towel in it. Here's the leave-in conditioner, the hydrating curl conditioner. And I will start making videos on my progression when it comes to using the shampoo and using all the products. The curling care shampoo, the curl defining cream, the deep treatment hair mask. I can't wait to use this product because I do dye my hair, right? So it's like 3 or 4 colors. Over the years, I've dyed my hair, so it has. Well, I've dyed it, but I've tried to dye it like my original color. And I'm also I'm a model, so it's like I try to keep my hair one color, but it refuses. My hair refuses to keep one color. So it's like 3 or 4. It's like mermaid color, you know. So, but it is healthy. My hair is 100% healthy. It's very sleek. I have very thick hair. So, I mean, over the years, even though I've dyed it, I've dyed it with a vegan hair color. So I try to keep my hair as healthy as possible. Yeah, I try to keep my hair as healthy as possible. And the leave-in conditioner. Another Silky Finishing Oil. And another towel. Right? And here's a thank you. It says, thank you for your order. Eve Curls. Curly and proud. Give your curls what it deserves. We would like to personally thank you for choosing Eve Curls. Whether you place a large or small order, it means a lot to us. And it's thanks to amazing customers like you that Eve Curls have been able to grow to where we are now. We sincerely hope this relationship lasts and we can support you through every twist and turn of your curly hair journey. Once more, a big thank you for your confidence in us. It's like the mission. Our mission at Eve Curls, our mission is crystal clear: to simplify your hair routine and provide you with top quality products. In an era where countless brands bombarded you with unnecessary hair products, we strive to stand out. Our products features only essential ingredients, and we are proudly made in the Netherlands. Sustainability. At Eve Curls, sustainability lies at the heart of our core values, guiding every decision we make. And it's more than just a buzzword. It's a commitment we actively pursue. We firmly believe that sustainability isn't just vital for thriving business and brand, but above all for a habitable world. So I cannot wait to start using the products. I already, like I said before, I use the leave-in conditioning, in which it literally, like here in Florida, right here in Florida, our hair in general gets dried out from the heat. You know, like for me as a sensitive, my body and my hair gets dried out from the heat and from the winter. So it's like with this product is, it's fucking amazing, because it's like I put the hydrating curl conditioner. I actually use this and it would hydrate my hair all day. I would put it in the very morning, go to work, and then come back and it would still be hydrated. It's amazing. It's an amazing product. And after I do that, I actually put, after the hydrating cream, I actually put some oil in it just to lock it in. So yeah, these two are amazing products, but I'm going to show you my journey along the way. I'm going to actually start using the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm pretty much going to use all the products, and I'm going to let you guys see. So other than that, let's start our journey with Eve Curls, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.